one of the first registered business users of Movable Type years and years and years and years and years ago, and switched over to using WordPress. Well, WordPress MU or WPMU pretty much had its first public release, and also been using WordPress for my personal blog for quite a while. I am nothing more than just a geek. That's it. He's someone I would consider a part of my community. I know him by his first name. And that's what community is all about, really, is getting to know people. Because the internet is not so much a series of cables and wires so much as it is a connection between people. Without people, the internet would be nothing. It wouldn't even exist. I still remember the first time I sat down in front of the computer. Well, no, not the first time. I can't remember that. First time I sat down in front of the computer to email somebody who was sitting no further than this far away from me. The computer lab back in 1992. And I emailed him something. And I just knew that moment my life was forever changed. And that was the defining moment of my life. I was like, this, I must do this for the rest of my life. I don't know why, but it thrills me every day to wake up and check my email. Despite the amount of spam that I get, I still love it. Because it's the connection that I make with people from all around the world. Still amazes me to this day. It's a miracle. And obviously, I don't need to proselytize you. You know that. Community is already exciting. Now I'm going to try to remember what it was like to be back in high school in advanced math. I'm not a mathematician, not a scientist. I'm an English major, or was. My degree is in English education. Which means I'm only qualified to teach now and first. Everything I do now is out of passion. Very lucky. But there's this idea of a Venn diagram. Are you familiar with a Venn diagram? Okay, essentially, I'm Italian, so I can't use my arms when I'm talking. It's like you've got these circles, and in between they kind of cross over, right? And in the middle, where that crossover is like this little thing, can you imagine that? The Venn diagram? I like coffee, and I also live in Seattle. And in the middle, I like coffee and I live in Seattle. And there are other people who also